We got our... Alright, so we got the dash out of the E30. It was a fairly simple process. He did, as he was putting it in my trunk though, scratch my paint. So that wasn't good. But we built this out of lexan, and this is going to be the toggle switch panel. We're not really sure what we're going to do to make it so you can't see the wires behind it. We're going to figure it out. We put this piece of black vinyl right here and put hashtag race car on it.
The first button we'll be putting into this toggle switch panel is the OEM hazard switch. We're going to be using a covered toggle switch for the accessory and the on. A 50 amp switch will be used for the electric fan. The window switches in this car don't work, so we're going to be using a momentary on, off, on. Another thing we'll be putting in the car is a push button emergency stop, which has a twist reset on it. A USB charging port will also be installed so we can charge our devices.
Alright, so we're waiting on one more key switch. That's going to sit about right here, but tonight we're going to drill all the holes for the rest of the switches and then hopefully mount this into the dash itself.
So we ran into our first problem, and that is that when I selected the color, I asked for blue, and this is the original orange color of the car. Luckily enough though, we did find out how the wiring on the back works out. And what we decided was this prong and this one control the light for the button. The top and the bottom are on all the time until the button is pressed and then they turn off. These two inner ones are off and then they turn on when you push the button. So what we'll be doing is wiring this prong and this one to the on switch. So when you flip the car on, the button turns on, ready to press. And these two inner ones will be going to your starter. So when you push the button, it'll start the car. The two outer ones are not going to be used in our application.
Alright, so we got the grid set up on the toggle switch panel, and the very inside of each of these is where we're going to tap in a little marker so we know where we're going to put each switch, and so we can basically put, if we don't want to put switches in certain spots right now, we can add them later if we want to, because we're going to leave a spot for them. So that's what we're doing right now.
Let's get to it. So we got it all mounted up. We're going to tighten up the bottom bolts, and then we are actually going to be working on the panel while it's in the dash. It's kind of hard to take in and out. Not a big deal. We'll just have to do everything while it's mounted up. We're going to start by drilling a pilot hole, and then most of these are going to be a 7/16 size hole. We'll go from there.
Alright, so we got all these switches on here. I'm pretty satisfied with the way that it went. It is currently 4:37 in the morning, so we've been at it all night. But I think we're all pretty pleased with the outcome so far. We're still waiting on that key switch right there, the LED for the e-stop, and then we're not sure what we're gonna put right here. It's kind of just a blank spot right now. We've got an idea for everything else, but we're thinking maybe fog lights right there. But we'll figure it out in time. But that's all we're doing tonight.
But that's not it. We have a lot more to do. So we're going to be doing a wire harness for this car. We're actually going to be making our own plugs, and that'll be fun. That way, if we ever need to remove the panel, it'll just be one simple plug, and it'll pull the majority of these off. So we're not having to do them individually. So that is all to come.